Hey everyone. So ArcBlock's always looking for ways to improve the user experience. And recently they introduced a new feature in the payment kit called SubGuard. And SubGuard is designed to solve a very specific problem that some of us have faced, and that is subscription services being interrupted due to a payment issue. SubGuard is effectively like an insurance policy for subscription and helps maintain continuity of services, preventing any kind of disruption caused by that payment failure. I'm going to go to the launcher and I'm going to look at one of my current apps that I have up and running. You can see here, I currently have the BM9000. First thing we want to go do is click on view subscriptions on the upper right-hand corner. And we're presented with a range of information. I've got a due date for my next invoice. More importantly, you'll see here, there's an option called SubGuard. So currently SubGuard is disabled. I want to go ahead and enable SubGuard. I've got a range of options, right? 1 week estimate, 1 month estimate, all the way up to 1 year estimate. So you can stake as much as you need or as much as you want to ensure continuity of service. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and simply select an option for custom, and I'm going to go ahead and put in enough stake tokens to cover my next invoice. So 1.05 ABT. Now it's important to note, this does leverage the utility of the ABT token. This does not work with USD or any other token. You do have to use ABT to enable this feature. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit to enable my feature. It's going to check with my wallet and verify it. Within just a few seconds, you can see here now that I've got SubGuard enabled. And you can see the total amount, 1.05. So it's important to note, if you do want to reclaim your stake tokens, you can also do that anytime of your choosing. It effectively works the same way. So in this case, I'm going to go and go up here, click on set SubGuard. And when I look at the options here, I'm simply going to disable the toggle for SubGuard. So I'm going to go ahead, the system will do is present me with a couple of options. You can keep the remaining stake for SubGuard or go ahead and return the remaining stake back. So I'm going to click on that and it's going to go ahead and verify it. I now have the option to enable SubGuard again. So you can see it's that easy. So for more information, details about SubGuard, do check out the blog post. You go to www.arcblock.io. You'll find the blog post about halfway down the screen. And to enable SubGuard, again, start enjoying peace of mind. Knowing your subscriptions are always protected.